You ever have one of those days where like it's like cold outside and like you don't want to go anywhere, but you got like a whole bunch of things to do. Like you gotta go to the grocery store and you gotta get like fucking begonias for your garden. You know, just one of those days, man. Yeah. Yeah. I was in Walmart. I was in Walmart. I was in Walmart. Walmart. First I got some potatoes. Next I was like, man, these things mash good. So I put them in my basket. Then I went to the deli and you guessed it, got me some potato salad. The potato salad. Yeah. Next, went to the garden section. I needed like one of those fuel pumps and shit for like your lawnmower, but I don't know. Like one of those things where you have to repeatedly press the button before you can like, you know, do lawnmower dance where you're pulling the string and shit, trying to get the engine to go. Yeah, one of those things. I think it's called a respirator. Nah, it's probably not called a respirator. Somebody knows what the fuck it's called. I am not one of those people. I have not succumbed to the wisdom of knowing that is what those items are called on a lawnmower. Yeah.